Hey guys, welcome back to another InventBox tutorial where the solution is right around the corner. Kevin here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing number 3 on Krita. So let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you some of the filter tools that Krita has. And these are all your filters under the Filter tab: Adjust, Artistic, Blur, Colors, Edge Detection, Enhance, Emboss, Map, and Other. Those are your filters. So I just imported an image here, and of course you can go in and do your color selection or something like that, which I explained a lot in another tutorial just on the first one. So if you want to go watch that, you can. So if we change this to erase, we could like just erase the background just like that. Actually go through the whole thing and give it kind of a cool texture. So now that we got that, let's go over here to the Filter tab, and we can do like something like burn, and default settings will work. And that one didn't show up much. If we try, where is it? Whoops. So if we do, pixelize, you can get the whole image to pixelize and get a little more pixely, or blur, and that blurred it. There's a lot of different things. Color to alpha, and that changed some of the colors. As you can see what it did there. Whoops, don't save it yet. So let's try out another one like edge detection, and that gave it a really cool look. Wow, look at that. Gave it a really cool look. It detected all the edges and then drew lines around the edges. And there is some really cool patterns whenever you do that. So that's cool. Now we can emboss. See what that, okay, well that changed the color a lot. Let's not do that. Let's enhance mean removal. It's looking pretty cool. Or we can auto contrast, and that'll just kind of contrast. It makes the whites true whites and the blacks true blacks. So that helps a lot. You can just do that to any picture, and that will adjust and reset your whites. Oil paint. We can make it now an oil paint. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, I like this. I like how this looks. So that looks good. So that's some of the filter tools, and that's a very useful thing, of course. Down here's all your brushes, and you could even add a little bit of probably want layer 2. Whoops, that's on erase. We don't want to be erasing. Let's just change this back to normal. So bright brush. There we go. So it's actually, now we can have it draw in white, and we can add a little bit of white where you might want it. Different accents. That'll kind of blend in. If you just click, it won't. So if you wanted to hook up a Wacom tablet or a Wacom tablet or a I don't know what there's a bunch of different names or how you can pronounce them, but that I'll explain in a future tutorial. But that's actually a pretty useful tool because Krita works really well with the Wacom tablets. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Talk to you then.